In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Gohighlevel 2026. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in the platform, look over to the left-hand side panel because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for most of the tools you'll use. From that left sidebar, click on Contacts. This will take you into the Contacts area where Gohighlevel organizes people, communication history, and related activity. After that, move your attention to the top menu within the Contacts section. Along this upper menu, you'll see different tabs and options for managing contact-related actions. Go ahead and click on Tasks. This opens the Tasks page where you can view existing tasks and create new ones. If you're managing follow-ups, reminders, or internal action items, this is the section you'll be using regularly. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Add Task. This will open the task creation window where you can enter all the details for the new task. Start by typing in the task title. Make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. A simple, descriptive title helps you and your team quickly understand what needs to be done without opening the task every time. After that, add a description. This is where you can include extra context, instructions, or important notes related to the task. A good description helps avoid confusion and makes the task much more actionable, especially if someone else will be completing it. Now set the due date and time. In this example, the time is set using PST, so keep that in mind if you're coordinating with people in different time zones. Choosing the correct deadline is important for keeping your workflow organized and making sure tasks are completed on time. If the task needs to repeat, you can set it as a recurring task. This is useful for routine responsibilities, such as weekly check-ins or ongoing follow-up work. If it's just a one-time task, you can leave that option as it is. Next, select the assignee. This determines who is responsible for completing the task. Be sure to assign it to the right person so ownership is clear from the start. Then review the associated objects section. This lets you connect the task to the relevant record or item inside your system, which helps keep everything organized and easy to track. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. Your task will now be added in Gohighlevel and ready for tracking. That's it. You've successfully created a task in Gohighlevel 2026.